Don't forget to check our article on the don't forget to check our article. Wait, let me breathe. Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Beauty on Duty. Today's video is all about liquid lipsticks, and I have picked 5 of the best liquid lipsticks in town. I'm going to evaluate these lipsticks in 4 points. Number 1 being the formulation, number 2 being the shade, number 3 being the applicator, and number 4, smudge proof. So as you guys can see, I've already taken off my lipstick which I was wearing. So first off, I will be trying Stila liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Patina, and its price is $2,100. Ooh, this is such a beautiful shade. I'm so excited to try it. So first off, let me just swatch the shade on the back of my hand, and then only I will be applying it on my lips. So the formula is very velvety smooth, and it's not too heavy on the lips, and it's not that liquidy also, so you can't see any bleeding. I did a perfect line over here and it's intact, and it just dried down beautifully. Even if I am rubbing my lips together, like not rubbing but just doing this, you can't see any stickiness and you can't feel stickiness. It's just so light on the lips, and the color is absolutely beautiful. And talking about the applicator also, it's a flat brush, flat lip brush, and the top part will help you shape your lips very easily. It's very convenient and nice. Alright, so now it's smudge proof time. Oh, oops, it's not smudge proof. It felt smudge proof. So I also want to do a transfer proof test just in case. So yeah, I have a tissue here, so okay, there's barely anything. Maybe I put a really thick layer on my hands, but on my lips it's such a perfect shade, and I just love this. I wouldn't mind if it's not smudge proof. I recommend this in terms of color, and it's transfer proof, and the shade is beautiful. So the second lipstick I am going to try is by Makeup Forever, and it's in the shade 203 Cold Pink, and the price is 2,050 rupees. Okay, I've never tried liquid lipstick from this company, but oh, this is the similar shade to the Stila one. It looks really identical, the color. Okay, it's maybe not as pigmented as the Stila one, but let me apply it on my lips first. So this matte liquid lipstick was definitely more liquidy, but not as pigmented as the Stila one. And the shade, for me personally, I don't think this is my shade, but I simply think I'm not rocking it. So I think this lip shade will look perfect for people with cool skin tones. And talking about the applicator, it's similar to every other liquid lipsticks. Very easy for application. Yeah, it doesn't feel sticky or it doesn't feel heavy on the lips. It's very light and nice, and it's not bleeding from my lip line also. Feels lightweight. Doesn't feel like those really drying matte lipsticks. Let's do the smudge proof test. Oh my god, why is all the liquid lipsticks like this? Oh no, it's smudged. See, this is so weird. In the tissue with my lips, it doesn't come with a hand. It's not smudge proof, but on the tissue, you can hardly see any product. I have a mixed feeling about this product, but I would definitely recommend this shade for those who have like cooler skin tone. It'll really look good on you guys. So the third lipstick I am going to try is one of my favorites, Huda Beauty matte liquid lipsticks. I've been using these for such a long time, and it's my favorite. I'll try not to be biased on this one. And this is on the shade Trendsetter. It's a beautiful brownish nude shade. So the price for this liquid lipstick is 1900 rupees. So the formula is super liquidy, but it dries down to be matte after a couple of seconds. The shade is absolutely gorgeous, brownish nude. It looks stunning when you were doing the smoky eye look. And talking about the applicator, Huda Beauty always has this sleek lip brush, which is very easy for application as well. The only thing is it takes quite some time. It doesn't dry instantly, but when it dries, it feels so comfortable on the lips. It won't bleed. It is super liquidy, but it won't bleed from your lip line down there. It's super comfortable. And the color is absolutely stunning. I love. Let's do the smudge proof test. Everything is smudging. Definitely, yes, some product, but not as bad as the hand one. So maybe after applying it, we have to let it settle for a couple of minutes. And after that, maybe you should like finish it off with a setting spray. Then even you won't like have this much of a transfer on a tissue. So yeah. Love the color, love the formula, the applicator brush, everything. I definitely recommend this. So the fourth liquid lipstick that I'm going to try today is Superstay Vanilla Ink by Maybelline New York. So this product has a lot of mixed reviews. I mean, some say it does not stay for a very long time. But since this product was quite trending in America, we have this in India now too. So I am like excited to try this product out. Oh, it's not giving me matte liquid lipstick. It's more of like a tint. This is sort of like a tint. I wouldn't have applied it like a liquid lipstick, but since I'm already applying it like a liquid lipstick, I'll just finish it off. Alright, so this is not the matte liquid lipstick. It is sort of like a tint and the formula is very moisturizing. If I had known that this wasn't a matte liquid lipstick, I would have just applied a little bit because a little goes a long way. I am not liking the way how it is just, as you can see, the product is just on my lip line down here. I would have like applied like really lightly, like as if I was applying tint. However, it is moisturizing, but I don't think that it's smudge proof or transfer proof. But if you guys don't like the really matte lipstick heavy lip feel and you want to go something for shade red, I think this would be perfect for you. But for me, I don't think I would purchase this product. And talking about the applicator, as you can see, the lip applicator is like slanted on the sideways, and even while applying it was quite easy because the tip is slanted. As you can see, you can make your lip shape, you can shape your lips like that. Yeah, applicator is easy to apply, but however, I wouldn't, for myself, I wouldn't use this again. Okay, let's do the smudge proof test. Yeah, as you can see, I don't have to say anything. So the last one that I'm trying is the most reasonable from the lot, and I have tried this lipstick and it had made quite a hype. It's none other than the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. So if you guys know that this lipstick, after applying it, it doesn't go easily at all. So the shade is Pioneer. It's a red hot shade and it comes only for 500 rupees. So the thing about Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink is that the formulation is quite thick compared to other liquid lipsticks, and it gives you a very sticky texture. Like the formula is very sticky and uncomfortable on the lips. But however, if you want something that stays for the whole day and the next day too, this is great for you guys. But for me, it'd be quite a task to take this off, and I do not like the thick formula and the sticky texture that I'm feeling right now on my lips. The shade, as you can see, it's the classic Hollywood red shade. It'll be perfect for bridals or any retro look, as per you say. One thing I really like about this liquid matte lipstick is the applicator, because it is so interesting, the applicator, and I'll tell you why. As you can see, there's a round oval shaped hole in the middle of this applicator. So what it does is it collects all the products. When you take it out, the product is actually stored in there. So each time you apply it on your lips, you don't have to like keep dipping back on your matte lipstick pot. It's right there, and you can like work it out really nicely. All right, so let's do the smudge proof test. It's getting smudge on the hand, but yeah, it's not important. The main important thing is the lips, so. Yeah, but it didn't budge on my lips, but it did smudge and it did transfer. But when I have to take this off, it's going to be such a task for me, and I know that. So my favorite from this lot would definitely be the Stila, the Huda. So this was it for today's episode. Do not forget to check our article where we have added more lipstick and their reviews on the same. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to Select by Pinkvilla. I'll see you soon. Bye!